Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, like I mentioned in my previous video about the Akaso V50, I was very shocked to see how similar it looked to the ThiEYE T5 Edge. So I thought, well, it's time to test them both side by side. So we're shooting 4K, 30 frames a second, image stabilization is on. So we're going to first test the image stabilization on both of these cameras. And then we're going to do an audio test. Okay, time for image stabilization test. This right here is the Akaso. This is the ThiEYE T5 Edge. And remember, I have both of these hooked up to a board that's screwed into a Manfrotto little mini tripod, and I'm just hand holding it. And I'm curious to see how the stabilization is with both cameras. The video quality, the exposure, like of the shed. The shed is actually two-tone. It is a kind of a cream color with white trim. Let's see the detail of the magnolia tree. If we can see the detail there. The trees back here in the distance. See which one looks sharper, more detail. Now I will say that the menu system is different because obviously there's a different firmware for both of these cameras, but like I said, they're very identical. But now to do a audio test. So we'll start with the Akaso, the V50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the ThiEYE T5 Edge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if there's an audio difference between the two.